Think about this. In 2025, sales is not going to be just about having the right sales scripts or closing techniques. It's about having unshakable confidence that shines through in every conversation. AI and automation are making a lot of traditional sales tactics obsolete. So how can you stand out in this new world of sales? By mastering the one thing AI can't replicate: true, authentic confidence. My name's Luke. Been in the sales game for over 20 years. And whether it's a technological revolution like AI and automation, a global recession, or a changing of the president, the world always needs great salespeople. This is the first in a 5-part video series preparing you for sales life in 2025. Check out the timestamps below. And of course, like and subscribe to get the rest of the incoming content. So getting back into it, confidence. What do we mean? I'm talking about the kind of confidence that builds trust and gets your prospects to buy into you, whether you're just starting out or have been in the sales game for decades. 2025 is going to require a whole new sales approach. Gone are the days where when we said confidence, we met the alpha male, the big ego in the room, the sales guy that's crushing all his numbers, cruising around in a Ferrari. That is not what we're about. But whether you feel confident or not, the good news is that everything is teachable. And confidence is something you build. And that's what we're going to get into right now. So let's start with why. Why is confidence the new currency in sales? Well, in a world where AI can handle way more of the mundane tasks, your clients and your prospects are looking for something beyond automation. They want trust. They want connection. They want someone that can take on the tough conversations and guide everybody through to resolution. That's confidence, and that is more valuable than ever. When you show up with confidence, you are signaling to everybody in the room that you can be trusted, or reliable. You are experienced. That is what the world needs. People are going to buy in. It's a cliched saying that people buy from people, but having an undeniable sense of confidence about you will make people buy from you. All right. So we know confidence is essential, but how are you going to build it? Especially if you're not typically a confident person. Here are 2 foundational steps to get you started. Firstly, affirm your strengths. What do I mean by that? It can be as simple as getting out your phone and just writing in a little list of your wins every day, every week, and every quarter. Remind yourself of those little victories. If you're an experienced salesperson, this could be that multi-million-dollar deal that you did last year and all the success that came from that. If you're new to the sales game, maybe it's just that you picked up the phone and called that prospect that you really didn't want to have to do it. Start stacking those small wins, but it's really important that you write them down and reflect on them. Secondly, practice handling rejection. Sounds odd, right? But salespeople are not afraid to hear the word no. Again, super cliche saying in the sales world, every no brings you closer to that yes. The downside, you've got to go through those no's to get to the yes. And remember, your clients and prospects are saying no 200 times a day to all kinds of different salespeople, partners, even their own colleagues. So don't take it personally, but do reflect on what you learn. If you hear a no, if you get that rejection, again, write it down and reflect on what you learned, not what actually went wrong. Okay, so what we're saying is that path to unbreakable confidence, it starts with the first no, the first rejection. You are not going to become the world's most confident seller overnight. It's going to take time. So as you close out 2024, there is no better time to start on that path. So you're ready to start jogging, start running, and start sprinting on that confidence path when Q1 2025 rolls around. So remember, this is all totally learnable. We just need a little bit of commitment, a lot of practice, and just keep showing up every day. So if you are ready to start building unbreakable confidence, stick with the series. I'm going to show you all the tools and techniques that the best salespeople are using right now to get ahead in 2025. Check out the links below, like, subscribe, Look out for the next video where we're going to be talking all about how you sell without being salesy. I know, right? Selling without actually selling. I'll see you then.